Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have my top 5 shampoos for relaxed or Texlaxed hair. I have decided to include Texlaxed into this terminology, I guess you could say, because I know a lot of you guys are Texlaxed and, you know, want to be included. So I'm going to start saying Texlaxed as well. I'm currently about 12 weeks post-relaxer, but these products work for me from the start of my relaxer all the way until my next relaxer. So these are like my staple shampoos that, you know, if I need a shampoo to work for me, I know I can choose from these 5 right here, and they're going to work for me no matter what. So yeah, if you guys want to see my products, definitely stick around. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I upload videos twice a week, Tuesday and Sunday. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to start from like number 1 to like number 5. If you guys have watched my channel since I started my hair journey on this channel, then you guys know that the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore line from Shea Moisture is my absolute favorite hair care line ever. I compare everything new that I try to this line. I'm always trying to find something new for my hair and nourishing for my hair, because my hair personally gets sick of things super easily. Like, I could use this shampoo and the next week it won't lather up as well as it did the week before. My hair is super duper stubborn, super duper like finicky when it comes to hair products. So I personally can switch up my routine and get growth and length and everything like that. I know a lot of people can't, but my hair literally thrives when I try new products. So this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. This cleanses and nourishes, and this is for natural, chemical process, or heat styled hair. This is sulfate free and color saved. As you guys can see, I really love this shampoo. On my wash days where I just need to wash my hair and I need to just know that my hair is going to turn out nice, this line is the line that I use. I use the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner from this line, and I absolutely love the way my hair turns out every single time. If you guys have not tried this, I definitely suggest that you do. I would suggest trying out the deep conditioning mask first, because that's how I knew that my hair really liked this line. I didn't try out the shampoo and conditioner first. I tried out the deep conditioner from this line, and my hair literally like just was amazingly soft and hydrated and moisturized after trying that mask. So I went ahead and tried out the shampoo and conditioner, and that's how I found this line to be so amazing for my hair. So yeah, definitely try out the mask from this line, but the shampoo is super moisturizing. It doesn't leave my hair feeling that brittle, dry feeling that I hate that shampoos do. So this is my top favorite shampoo for my relaxed hair. Number 2 is something that I have just found recently. Per recommendation from, I forgot her channel. I'll link it down below if I can remember. But this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. It hydrates and detangles, and honestly, I don't know why I didn't try the shampoo and conditioner from this line before. I actually haven't tried the conditioner from this line yet. This was actually under my sink. I think it was my sister's, so thanks, sis. But this, guys, literally worked so well on my hair. I don't know why I didn't try this line, because you guys know that one of my favorite leave-in conditioners sprays is from this line. So I was like, I don't know why I haven't tried it out yet, or what is wrong with me, but this shampoo, I just recently used it like a few weeks ago, and it is so good, guys. It's honestly, if you don't want to spend the money on the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, I would suggest trying this out, because it's almost like the same consistency. It's not milky, but it definitely leaves your hair moisturized. It's not going to feel stripped at all. If you feel like your hair isn't washed unless it feels stripped, then these two conditioners are not for you. These definitely are moisturizing conditioners. They leave your hair feeling super soft and hydrated after washing, which is what I enjoy, because when my hair is stripped and really, really dry, it takes a lot more for my conditioners to work, and it takes a lot more of my conditioner to make them work. So I find that using hydrating shampoos makes it so that I don't have to use as much conditioning products on my hair. Excuse me, this is so good. I don't even know how to explain it. Like I said, it is very, very hydrating because it does have the argan oil in it, and it smells so good. The Jamaican black castor oil isn't my favorite smell, honestly. Like, it smells like castor oil pretty much, but this one just has like kind of like it smells like argan oil. If you guys know what argan oil smells like, it smells like that. It smells like a very natural, kind of natural oil scent, you know, like almost like an essential oil. It smells like that. It's not floral, it's not fruity by any means. It just kind of has a really nice natural scent. I love this shampoo. This might honestly replace my Jamaican black castor oil, because my Jamaican black castor oil is like $13, and I feel like this is like $6 or $7 at Walmart. So when I'm feeling fancy, maybe I'll go ahead and pick that up. But for now, this one is doing me good. My next shampoo that I am obsessed with, and when I need a little bit of protein, this is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo from Shea Moisture. I reviewed this line on my channel. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I think it's like 2 or 3 videos back. This has no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petrolatum or whatever. This cleanses and restores. This is for extremely dry, brittle hair, but when I look at Shea Moisture products, I do look at like what the products say it's good for, but then I also take it with a grain of salt, because sometimes I have really thick hair, but sometimes things for fine hair work really well for my hair. So, you know, use what works well for you. But this is really, really nice for those times when I just need a little bit of protein in my life to make my hair a little bit stronger. This repairs your hair. This is just amazing. I use this whole line. I don't use the split end balm or the leave-in conditioner from this line. I just use the shampoo, conditioner, and the deep protein treatment. I don't know actually if this has protein in it. I might be completely lying to you guys. I don't know, but this is really, really good. It's hydrating. It's one of the shampoos, like I said, once again, that does not strip my hair and leave it that brittle feeling, which I hate. I honestly don't think I have any shampoos in my collection that do that. Maybe one that I'll mention in a little bit. But this is amazing. I talked a lot about this in my review, so if you guys want to go check that out and get a more in-depth review about this shampoo, then I would definitely suggest that. I really like this. This is kind of creamy. I really like the squeeze tube that Shea Moisture came out with. Yeah, this is really well. I feel like it's not like my favorite shampoo, and I definitely don't use it every week. But I do like it. It's really, really good. That's why it's like my 3rd one. But I do enjoy it. It leaves my hair feeling a little bit stronger and moisturized. Sometimes, you know, when you wash your hair, like, you can feel it, like, it snaps really easily. This leaves my hair feeling moisturized and stronger, if that makes sense. So, I enjoy this shampoo as well. So, that was my number 3. Moving on to number 4. It is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo for dry, dehydrated hair. This has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. I do like the shampoo. It's not my favorite, like, one out of, like, the 5. But it does leave my hair feeling really, really soft and moisturized. I think this line is so good for my new growth. My new growth loves this Pure Honey line from Cream of Nature. I'm not a huge fan of it on my relaxed hair, but when I'm a couple weeks post, like I am now, like as you guys can see, you can see my new growth coming in right here. I use the shampoo when I'm closer to getting my next relaxer, if that makes sense. The first 2 I can use whenever throughout my post relaxer days or whatever. This one I do like like maybe like a week after my relaxer, because it does strengthen my hair and gives my hair that, you know, body that it has lost after a relaxer. This one I definitely like to use closer to the end of my relaxer when I'm going to be getting another one, because my new growth just loves this so much. It is super moisturizing. I will say this, say that. I don't really like the conditioner from this line. I actually use the conditioner from this line in my pre-poo now. I put this conditioner from this line in with all of my essential oils and everything like that, and that works really, really well. I do like it for that, and this isn't too expensive, I don't think. This line, it's not crazy expensive. I do really like the deep conditioner from this line as well, but the shampoo I find just really works well for my new growth. It's not great for my relaxed hair, but I know like all of us on our relaxed hair journey do experience new growth because we have to get new relaxers. So I thought I'd just mention this if you guys are like me and have a lot of new growth when you are about to get a relaxer and you feel like the two different textures are sometimes hard to manage. My relaxed hair, it's not bad for my relaxed hair by any means, but my new growth loves this, and it is super moisturizing for both. So it does leave my relaxed hair a little bit more dry than the other previously mentioned shampoos. So that is just something to think about, but my hair might just be different. But my new growth loves this, and I really, really do like this when I am closer to my next relaxer day. Alright guys, so for my last shampoo, I have another Shea Moisture product. This is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. Now guys, this is not my favorite shampoo for relaxed hair. Just getting that out there. Like I said with the previous one, this is amazing for new growth. When you have new growth, this will moisturize your new growth so well, in my experience working with it. Now for my relaxed hair, it's not bad for my relaxed hair. I feel like this one is actually a little bit better for my relaxed hair than the Pure Honey. The Pure Honey though, it's really, really moisturizing. But I feel like with the Pure Honey, the reason my hair likes it so much is because of the deep conditioner. But this one, it's really good. I don't like the smell of it. It's really, really strong, but it's really, really good, like I said, for my new growth. And for my relaxed hair, when I use this, this is my most, I feel, cleansing shampoo for me right now. I feel like this really, cleanses my hair and makes my hair really, really clean. Like I said, I just personally don't like the way my hair feels when it's stripped like that. And throughout my wash day routine, when my hair is stripped like that in the beginning of the process, it's really hard for me to put that moisture back into my hair without weighing it down and without, you know, adding a whole bunch of products. So I use this mostly just to cleanse my scalp. When I feel like there's a lot of buildup on my scalp and a lot of products after I've done a twist out or worn my hair curly or, you know, whatever, this is the shampoo that I use because it really does clean my hair. It cleanses my hair. And although it says intensive hydration, it doesn't really hydrate my hair personally that much. It does hydrate my new growth, but not as much as the Pure Honey. But it does hydrate my new growth. But this is a really good, I feel, cleansing, moisturizing shampoo if you're looking for one, because it really, really builds up out of my hair and everything like that. So I really do enjoy this. This one I use if I haven't washed my hair for a few weeks. I used this after I took my braids down. You guys didn't get to see my braids because I lost the footage for that. But if you guys want to see how I did my box braids, head over to my Instagram. I have a whole post on it. I did them myself, but yeah, I used this after I took out my box braids, and my hair really liked it because I hadn't washed my hair in like 2 weeks after I took out my box braids. So yeah, that's good for that. And that is all 5, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if it was helpful, definitely let me know by leaving a comment down below. What are your favorite shampoos? I feel like there are so many more for me to try, and I really want to try them out for you guys and to see how they work on my hair. So definitely leave me your favorites down below. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel to look forward to new videos every week. and make sure to give it a thumbs up so that you're notified when I upload. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.